Next, we'll solve some examples related to this trick 1 and 2. Here, the given question is, find the units place value of 3 power 40. We can write this number 3 power 40 as 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 40 times. This can also be written as 3 times 3 is 9 multiplied with 9 multiplied with 9 itself 20 times. Further, this can be written as 9 times 9 is 81, 81 multiplied with 81 multiplied with 81 10 times. Right? This 3 power 40 is nothing but 81 multiplied with itself for 10 times, and from quick trick 2 we can say that units place value is equal to 1. Next example, find the units place value of 7 power 105. The 7 power 105 can be written as 7 multiplied with itself for 105 times. Right? As a first step, I'm taking 7 multiplied with 7, 49, multiplied with 49, so on. Here, this 105 is an odd number, so I'm taking 49 multiplied with 49, multiplied with itself for 52 times. Right? So this is nothing but 7 multiplied with itself for 104 times. So we have a one more 7 in the product. Right? Now, identify units place value in this 49 multiplied with 49 52 times. So it is 9 multiplied with 9 multiplied with itself 52 times multiplied with 7. Right? Just like in our previous example, we know 9 multiplied with 9 can be written as 81, and 9 multiplied with 9 52 times is nothing but 81 multiplied with 81 26 times, and it is to be multiplied with 7. From quick trick 2 we can say that the units place value of this number is 1. Right, the units place value of this product is 1, and we have 7 in multiplication with that value, so the desired units place value is 7.